Page 36, Unit 5, where do you live? There is, are, prepositions, some, any, this, that, furniture, directions 1. Page 36, Starter 1. Write the words in the correct column on the right. An armchair, a fridge, a television, a coffee table, a shelf, a plant, a stereo, a lamp, a cooker, a washing machine, a telephone, a cupboard, a cup, a sofa. 2. What is in your living room? Write it down. Page 36. What's in the living room? There is and are prepositions. 1. Helen has a new flat. Describe her living room on page 37. For example, there's a telephone. There are 2 plants. 2. T 5.1. Read and listen. Complete the answers. Practice the questions and answers. Is there a television? Yes, there. Is there a radio? No, there. Are there any books? Yes, there. How many books are there? There are a lot. Are there any photographs? No, there. Page 36, Grammar Spot. Complete the tables. Positive, a television, some books. Negatives, a radio. Any photos. Questions, a television, any books. Grammar reference 5.1 and 5.2, page 127. Page 36. Ask and answer questions about these things. A sofa, a cat, a computer, a fire, a mirror, a clock. Plants, pictures, bookshelves, lamps, newspaper photos, flowers. Is there a cat? Yes, there it is. Page 36. On, under, next to, in front. 4. Look at the pictures of Helen's living room. Complete the sentences with a preposition. On, under, next to, in front of. 1. The television is the table. The coffee table is the sofa. 3. There are some magazines, the table. 4. The television is 2 stereo. 5. There are 2 pictures, the wall. 6. The cat, the rug, the fire. Page 37. Practice. What's in your picture? 1. Work with a partner. Look at the pictures from your teacher. There's a picture of another living room and lots of things that go in it. Don't look at your partner's picture. Student A. Your picture is not complete. Ask Student B questions and find out where the things go. Draw them on your picture. Where's the lamp? Where exactly? Student B, your picture is complete. Answer Student A's questions and help him or her complete the picture. For example, it's on the small table next to the sofa. Page 37, 2, T 5.2. Look at the complete picture together. Listen to someone describing it. There are 5 mistakes in the description. Say stop when you hear a mistake. Stop! There aren't 2 people, there are 3 people. Page 38. What's in the kitchen? Some, any, this, that, these and those. The picture is of Helen's new flat. Describe it. 2. T 5.3. Listen and complete the conversation between Helen and her friend Laura. Helen: and this is the kitchen. Laura: very nice. Helen: well, it's not very big, but they're a of cupboards and a new fridge and cooker. That's new too. Laura: but what's in all these cupboards? What's in all those cupboards? Sorry. Helen: well, not a lot. There are some cups, but there aren't any saucers. And I have knives and forks, but I don't have spoons. Laura: do you have plates? Helen: yes, I do. Here they are. Laura: good. We can use those plates for this cake. 3. What is in your kitchen? How is your kitchen different from Helen's? Page 39. Grammar spot. 1. What's the difference between these sentences? There are 2 magazines. There are some magazines. 2. When do we say some? When do we say any? There are some cups. There aren't any saucers. Are there any spoons? Complete the sentence with this, that, these or those. 1. I like juice. Biscuits are lovely. Cooler is new. 4. Give me cups. Grammar reference 5.3 and 5.4, page 127. Page 39. Practice. In our classroom. Complete the sentences with some or any. In our classroom there are books on the floor. 2. There aren't plants. Are there new students in your class? 4. There aren't Greek students. 5. We have in dictionaries in the cupboard. 6. There aren't pens in my bag. 2. What is there in your classroom? Describe it. 3. Talk about things in your classrooms using this, that, these, those. Point to or hold the things. For example, this is my favourite pen. These chairs are nice. I like that bag. Those windows are dirty. Page 39. What's in Pierre's briefcase? 4. 5.4. Pierre is a Frenchman on business in Boston. Listen to him describe what's in his briefcase. Tick the things in it. A newspaper, a dictionary, a sandwich, pens, a notebook, keys, a bus ticket, a letter, photos, a mobile phone, stamps, and address book. Page 39, number 5. Look in your bag. Ask and answer questions about your bag with a partner. Is there a dictionary in your bag? Are there any stamps? How many stamps are there? Page 39. Check it. 6. Tick the correct sentences. 1. There aren't some sandwiches. There aren't any sandwiches. 2. Do you have some good dictionary? Or do you have a good dictionary? 3. I have some photos of my daughter. I have any photos of my daughter. 4. I have a lot of books. I have lot of book. 5. How many students are there in this class? How many of students are there in this class? 6. Next to my house there's a park. Next to my house there's a park. 7. Look at this house over there. Look at that house over there. 8. Henry, this is my mother. Mum, that is Henry. Henry, this is my mother. Mum, this is Henry. Page 40, reading and speaking. Living in a bubble. What are the names of the rooms in a house? What do we do in each room? Match the lines to make a sentence. We cook in. We watch TV in. We sleep in. We eat in. We work in. The living room, the kitchen, the study, the bedroom, the dining room. 2. Look at the photos. What rooms can you see? Page 40. 3. Read about Cyril, Jean and his house. Answer the questions. 1. Where is Cyril's house? How old is it? 2. Why is it called a bubble house? 3. What does Cyril do? 4. What does Cyril collect? 5. How many rooms are there in his house? 6. Is there a garden? Page 40. Are the sentences true, tick, or false, cross? 1. Cyril's house is modern. 2. There aren't any bubble houses in the south of France. 3. There are a lot of clocks in the house. 4. The centre of the house is the kitchen. 5. Cyril doesn't like reading. 6. The windows don't have curtains. There are 3 rooms upstairs. Auntie Lovac thinks the house is funny. Page 40. 5. Work with a partner. Ask and answer questions about Cyril's home. Is there a garden? Yes, there is. Are there any bedrooms? Yes, there's one. Ask about these things. A study, pictures, curtains, clocks, a TV, plants, a lot of kitchen cupboards. What do you think? What do you like about Cyril's home? What don't you like? Describe your perfect home. Page 42. Listening and speaking. Homes around the world. Match the places and the photos. What do you know about them? Lisbon, Toronto, Malibu, Samoa. 2T 5.5. Listen to some people from these places. Complete the chart in yellow from your student's book. 3. Talk about where you live. Do you live in a house or flat? Where is it? How many rooms are there? Do you have a garden? Who do you live with? 4. Write a paragraph about where you live. Page 43, Everyday English. Directions 1. 1. Look at the street map of Susie's town. Where can she do these things? Find the place on the map. Buy an aspirin, a book, a DVD, some bread, milk, stamps. Send an email, go for a walk, read a book, have a meal, catch a bus. Page 43, T 5.6. Listen to the conversation and complete them. 1A. Excuse me, is a pharmacy here? B. Yes, it's over. A. Thanks. 2A. Me. Is there a near here? B. Yes. Silver Street. Take the first right. It's the flower shop. A. Okay, thanks. 3A. Is there a post office near here? B. Go straight ahead and it's left, the museum. 4. Excuse me, is there a near here? B. There's one in Park Lane, the bank, and there's an Italian restaurant in Silver Street next to the. A. Is that one? B. No, just 2 minutes, that's all. Page 43, 3. Practice the conversation in exercise 2 with a partner. 4. Make more conversations with your partner. Use expressions in the box to ask and answer about the places. Near, near here, over there, on the corner, on the left, on the right, straight ahead. A bookshop, a bus stop, a library, a park, a bank, a swimming pool, a baker's, a museum, the railway station, a travel agent, a car park, a supermarket. 5. Talk about where you are. Is there a pharmacy near here? Is it far? What about a bank, a post office, a supermarket?